Double R would like to thank all customers for supporting the Double R team in 2021. I would like to personally thank all the Double R team for supporting our customers in 2021, and I wish you all a terrific Christmas, and here comes 2022.
Merry Christmas from Double R.
Merry Christmas from the Gunnedah branch.
Merry Christmas from all the sales team at Hunter Valley. We'd like to wish everyone a safe and prosperous Christmas and all the best for the new year. Hope to look forward to seeing you all bright and better in 2022.
Merry Christmas from the whole team at Double R. All the best for 2022.
Have a happy new year and a safe one, guys. Thanks.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas from Double R Leinster.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas from Double R Leinster and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas from Double R.
Merry Christmas from Double R Leinster.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Gunnedah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from everyone at Double R Tamworth.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Double R.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Double R.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from Double R.
Merry Christmas from Double R Trucks in Tamworth.
Merry Christmas to everyone from Double R.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas here from the Hunter Valley branch. Have a Happy New Year and stay safe.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from all the team here at Double R. Stay safe and stay out of the heat. Enjoy it.
Merry Christmas from Double R team at Hunter Valley. Stay safe and have a good new year.
Merry Christmas from the Double R team at the Hunter Valley.
Have a safe and happy New Year.
From all of us here at the Double R team in the Hunter Valley, we'd like to wish you all a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and stay safe over the holiday period. Cheers, folks.
Merry Christmas from Double R, Mudgee.
Merry Christmas from Double R.
Merry Christmas from Double R.
Merry Christmas from Double R.
Merry Christmas from Double R Mudgee. Merry Christmas from Double R. I was standing there and I thought he was trying to bring out the microphone. Merry Christmas from Double R Mudgee.
Merry Christmas from Double R. Right now.
Merry Christmas.
Double R Mudgee.
I don't know, dude. Merry Christmas.
Yep.
Merry Christmas from Double R.
Merry Christmas from Double R.
Merry Christmas from Double R Mudgee.
Merry Christmas from the team of Double R Mudgee. Hope you have a happy and a safe and a wonderful new year. Ciao.
Merry Christmas from Double R.
Merry Christmas from the boys at Double R.
And Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Double R Karratha.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from the Karratha Double R branch.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the Double R Karratha team. Cheers.
Merry Christmas from Double R Karratha. Hope you have a good New Year. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year from everybody from Karratha.
Merry Christmas from all the crew at Double R Karratha.